bike get towed. There's no parking from in this area right here. There's 2 bikes in there, so wow. Well, one of the bikes that was parked there wisely left. One's still sitting there that could still get towed yet. You better come and move the bike quick before it does. Matter of time before they showed up. Huh. They're probably waiting for the tow truck now, you know. I would imagine it's going to get towed too, but I'm not sure. Well, the police have left. They ticketed the bike and now they've left. That other guy was not the owner of the bike, I guess. Well, there you go. The owners came back and got on the bike and they left. They got the ticket, so that's how that little episode ended. So they did not have to get towed. They came back in time, I guess. And here's the bike coming in. The first day of the Sturgis Motorcycle Rally.